Hello cyber monks, welcome back to my channel Make Josh Cybersecurity Monk. So, what the big question that I'm answering on my show today? Today we are going to see about the Corellium and how to use Frida here. There are two options. We can upload the Frida server manually, but here in the physical devices, that's the only point we will do to use the Frida. We will have the Frida server on the host, sorry, in the physical device, and the client will be in the local machine. So in that way, we will connect it. But here, what happens? The Frida is already installed, already present in the Corellium virtual device. Now what we are going to look, see, we have to download a file and we try to hook that file using the Frida. Then we need to check whether we are able to hook the functionality or maybe execute the scripts which we downloaded from outside. Okay, maybe from the other applications. Like let me show you here. Okay, so I'll just explain you how this works. See here, and they have given some example of download the signal application from this URL. Click download. Once after that, what do you need to do? See, this is an Android device we have already created. You don't have to wait. So you will see such an console or like the GUI in front of you. This is the device. This is the options which we have. Okay, from there we have already seen like connect, what is connect, files, app, network, file tray setting, Frida and all. So what you need to do, just click on apps and the apps will be present over here and just click install. Okay, in that way you just click launch the application. After installation you will see that, see, signal org dot thought cr. Okay, this has been installed in such a way it's like ready to launch. You just click launch, it will get launched. Okay, then what you need to do, see, the application is running over here, terms and privacy, continue, everything is there. Now we have to use the Frida. How we will be able to use it? See, we have see the options here is connect, files, app, network, code trace, setting, Frida console. So Frida is here. So you don't have to install the Frida server here, that is in the virtual device. But in case if you want to change it, you will be able to do. How? The way like ADB push, then you have to download a server, and that process I will tell you at the end of this video here. So this is easy process, right? Instead of doing like configuring those Frida in your physical device certain times, that will make issues, or that configuration issues will come back due to the Python version change, or sometimes that won't work. uh, this is like a two-way benefit. If you have the Frida server, we can use objection, that is a another tool. Here, so Frida is here. Okay, let's go and just click on Frida, and you will see in the GUI in this way. Select a process, console, scripts are there. Click on select a process. So, okay, in this way it will get pop up. What you can select a process. This is a different process, com.android.dyn system, com.android.manage provision. Like this, different applications will pop up. In that we have to select our target application in such a way, like signal comes, select signal, then attach. What would be the output of this? Once you do, we have console and scripts. Just click on the console and see what is happening here. See, it has been hooked. Remote PID 2628. Now what we have to do further, we have to go for the script tab. Earlier what we did for the console, and see we have to go to the script button. But did you observe that this is an Android and then they moved this to iOS? Okay, so it's like it's all simple, but there is a slight difference you will observe. Okay, for Frida, uh, like click any of the script, hook.obc object obc.js, then you have to click on execute, it will be executed. The only difference you will find for Android and iOS, see here that there is none other option here like port forwarding. See here, there is an extra option called port forwarding. When you use Frida from your host machine, that is here the server is running, and you want to use a Frida from your host machine, like see, in your command prompt, in that case, you have to use the port forwarding for iOS application. So once you go to port forwarding, you have to use certain port number and then up. Then, but for Android, that is not necessary. You will not find port forwarding over here. Okay, so that's a difference we will be seen here. But anyway, like if you want to use a Frida inside the Corellium itself, that won't be a big process. It would be very simple. Just go to Frida console script. If you just select the application, your target application, then you select what script you want. Just like that, download it and upload the script. How you want to upload? Click upload, then you will be able to upload the required scripts like ASSL pinning bypass or root detection mechanism bypass, jailbreak bypass. What are the applications, what are the scripts that you want to upload? Just click and upload. Next, what you do, see, we have selected the process, we have uploaded the necessary scripts which for our purpose, that is security testing purpose. Now we have to click execute. If you click executor, right, then this will get, the script will get executed. And suppose if you want to SSL pinning bypass, then you will be able to see the traffic in your web suite, like in the proxy. In such a way this has been designed. Okay, I hope this is very clear for you, to how to use Frida in Corellium. This is very easy process. Go to Frida, uh, s- go to the script tab, upload what script is required, just execute it. But in physical device you need to configure it. Right here everything is in a GUI, but in physical device you have to configure it in your physical device in the server, Frida server, and in the host machine you should have the client. Then you have to make a client connection, and then you have to execute it. You have download, and so it's simple, like the one step lesser for Corellium. Okay, so they have used hookfinder.js uh, for their scripts. You can use anything for your purpose. Okay, so this is all about using the Frida in Corellium. So for objection, there won't be any bigger issue. Just use objection in your machine, host machine. Frida server is already running in the Corellium Corellium virtual device itself. So it won't be a bigger problem for Android, but certain cases you will see some issues in iOS because you have to check the port forwarding, and there might be a issue with the versions and the applications which we use, because when we use DVIA application in iOS 15 Pro, like in that Apple, no, for that we got an issue. Okay, iPhone 15 Pro Max, we had some issues, but that has been rectified later. But yeah, this is all about. I want to say, just try to use from your side and let me know what issues that you are facing and how you are able to rectify that. Okay, just put your views as well as how it works for you in my comments. We will see in the next videos. Thank you. So thank you for watching my videos. Like if you want to uh, if you want me to put some other videos or you want any other topic, just share it via comments. I will make some good video for that. Okay. So thank you. We will see you on next video. Bye.